Okay, y'all. I got me my seafood and chicken fajita mix. I got grilled chicken, orange, red, and yellow bell peppers, and some onions. And I season that up, and that's all fried up. On my tortilla, I'm just toasting it right now a little bit on both sides. Then I'm gonna get it with a little bit of this chipotle sauce. I got that from Kroger, y'all. And this is just, something light for real. Something cute. It's not too heavy. The sauce is probably the heaviest thing on it. And I'm hit it with some Kobe Jack cheese. Yeah. Not too much, y'all. Not too much.